This government isn't unique in considering how to respond to hate speech, or as I would put it, the speech that those in power hate. For example, New Zealand recently withdrew their proposed hate speech laws to continue work trying to find the right balance. Ireland is right now on the verge of passing anti-free speech legislation that includes penalties, potential penalties of up to 5 years in prison. Scotland has passed their Hate Crime and Public Order Act in 2021, but it's yet to be implemented out of concerns that the police can't easily define hate speech. This hasn't prevented people, however, from being investigated in the UK under the Orwellian non-crime hate incidents. There are documented disclosures demonstrating that the police are keeping files or investigating people for posting on social media their belief merely that transgender women aren't women. Can the Attorney-General provide reassurance that the dictionary definition of woman, that is an adult human female, won't be considered hate speech under the proposed anti-vilification laws?
Minister.
That is slightly a bit of a stretch. Mr Limbrick, there's a lot in that question, but I think at the outset I took great offence to your reflection that hate speech is those in power, the hate that those in power hate. I'm fortunate to not be the recipient of a lot of hate speech because I'm white, I'm not LGBTQI+, I'm not Jewish. I've actually had a pretty privileged life. I get called a bogan and that sort of thing. But in terms of the speech that is directed to people causes immense harm. And I'm really passionate about supporting those people that hate is directed to. It's actually not about me. It's not about my feelings. It's about my responsibility as a leader in this state to protect those who are receiving harm from language. And that's what the anti-vilification laws are designed to do. We want to get it right. It is my intention to get it right, take the time and not have unintended consequences. And again, I welcome your feedback. I welcome people's feedback that I'm not necessarily going to agree with them, but that is the challenge of being in this role. It's about talking to people about protections, talking about people who have strong views either way, and I commit to talking to all people, ensuring that we get this legislation right, but I will not back down on wanting to protect those that need protection.